Hi guys, thanks for joining Naija Watch on this wonderful and educative video. We Naija Watch are here to entertain you with varieties of amazing and top-notch videos. We live stream daily just to make sure your screen is being entertained with amazing videos. So please do endeavor to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also click to the notification button so you will always be notified whenever we are going live. Thank you.
Okay, thanks. We'll talk now.
Well, good morning, my people, the good people of Edo State. I'm here again by 2nd West Junction along Tezami Road. The street opposite me now be Iyoba Street or so. There used to be Iyoba Palace around this place. I'm midday here this morning to turn at the situation of the road. Normally, Tezami Road, though, because Tezami Road is still under construction. But the matter we carry me come here this morning now 2nd West by Mojo. You can see now 2nd West nowadays. So some of the locals we talk off camera, although they decline interview where I want to record them, they say the road is over 5 years now where they abandon now. So let Mo take a walk, see those who go fit ask us, who go fit tell us the situation of the road yet. But meanwhile, let me they go on first. This one with the watch, so I don't ask him. He say me I go front. He no fit give me information more. But you see the gutters, the thing open down. And 2nd West side there, so and I say erosion where they flow down from the other side. Now here they gather, and children they full this area. And a potential risk now those children there, as you can see, those gutter cover they're supposed to cover them so that it will take danger away from those children. Look at this manhole at the middle of the road. This manhole they leave am open. You see and say it don't even cover, but there's water inside. You can see the level where erosion take they pass here, where take they chop all those places. I think 2nd West now me a day so that we will draw the attention of the state executive to ensure say the contractor will abandon this job and go come back to site. Meanwhile, 2nd West, as I know, now under a local government, local government, see the same manhole at the middle of the road. You see, and so during school hours, children they full this area. It's in 2nd West because this 2nd West gets several connection of street wey lead to that, and a highly populated area where people full, where mothers dey, where children dey, and you see say those kind of area like that where children dey, when they do this kind of project they need to protect them. See na individual now do this thing because of children may they not fit fall inside. As some of them tell me off camera just now, say if he fall no be small gbege. Good morning, sirs. Okay, but I stay for this area. I want new person who give me some information how water take dey flow here and the wahala wey dey. Okay, address come this side or me I come meet you. Wagun menore wana erosion worry e report ni me o ya we ande la go egui a broken language no so that
this road this side gutter so
yes
e no dey flow people wey dey around this side now are different for now water dey come this side.
Okay, they come this
side,
like if I face Tezami Road now on my left hand side now water. Okay. Yes. The thing don't even cover self. We take wash rain cover that.
cover.
Now the company now do this hole here for front of this house.
No, not be there. Not be there.
Okay, now we then do this hole there.
No, not
Okay.
be there. I
Okay.
like the road and this drill.
Okay.
Now they do. Okay. So that is just the problem. This side not the flow.
You know the flow at all. Where water from they come this side?
Apart from this side, this way.
Okay.
This side.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir. Well done, sir.
I bet the media see the media call help us tire.
Now make us want draw attention of government because the truth be say government fit give contract to person. They'll go right and say they don't do am. Never do am. But this hole na individual call this hole here. May I look am because this one na danger for children. This hole I no fit tell but as me see am if like a construction company na do this hole cut am here may cause the slab wey dey here show say na dem do am make dem do come cover am because of children because information wey dem give me here for this second one say if rain fall no be small gbege so the life of every Edolite every Nigerian matter to us regardless where you come from so we see this second west so far so good and one good thing about this road second west na very long road from Tezame road straight to Siloko road if you pass and enter Plymouth road through a Hackman and not the adjoining street here e get several adjoining street I for the count them just now but for me the adjoining street of this second west is over 30 if I'm not making a mistake just imagine at the middle of the road you see this one again you see this man they open am down no caution sign because why possibly who dey do am here no even dey this area see the gutter the water they no control am like I'm saying just now you see children dey the street and just imagine rain fall now those children dey waka now they no fit know where to pull legs they fit go pull leg now for this manhole for middle and they just go and many don go like that they no know to cry to nothing to do because even government give contractor work e no do am Nigeria no know how to report them how to draw attention of state government to ensure say such contractor come to site as they don already mobilize am but what they do they just eat money give them work government na normal business this one the adjoining street along second west road nowadays so at the head towards Siloko road right now at the head towards Siloko road na the current nature look of second west na be this by investigation just now some locals tell me say about 5 years now they abandon this work like this wey be like this the water go flow cover here so make my people know wetin dey happen and the executive governor of the state may he know because me for the few time and some of the things wey me I don draw your attention to in the heart well like this one has been abandoned as a result of flooding and no access route because some wey tell you and say their best friend now na mechanic na second west I dey so still second west so as I dey talk just now I dey do this one to draw the attention of our governor of the governor of Edo State Governor Godwin Oriaso Obaseki to ensure say the contractor may come back to site because as I dey always dey talk na front in dey look e no dey see wetin dey back na our duty as citizens to draw attention say gbege dey some area dem no do am well so that im fit act and draw the attention of the contractor say make e come side. Na some the most of all the adjoining street to this second west, no one dey function at all, or dey very bad shape. And when they do this road, honestly, this hold up wey dey happen for Teza, for Olia by second west junction by Olia there, and the one wey dey happen for this 5 junction roundabout, e go be thing of the past, because this road na very long road and e service many area. Like this very junction na Oro straight wey go take you to 5 junction. You see the bad shape at this very junction now, the bad shape of the road. This na Oro street junction. This Oro take you straight to 5 junction, to TV road. So make you see the importance of this road if they really do am. You see this as water gather for this place, so you see that manhole is still left open without no caution sign. So na some of the issues wey we dey face with this as people. I think I don see one channel here wey state government create. Some people now dey pass through this place. This road you can also lead it to Teza Main Road, as you can see. So I don't know how to cross this place now, but I get attention here. There is a man, he get channel wey state government create here. Maybe I follow am. Na good morning. Yes sir. Oga, na this area you dey? Abeg, may I ask you question about the road? May you feed me? Question about the road, sir. No, Oga, how many years now wey they abandon this road like this?
They go 2 years now.
2 years?
Yes.
Wey they abandon now?
Yeah, they abandon.
Because some people tell me say they almost reach 4 years.
No, never reach. Before
Corona drive us.
Yeah. Before Corona where they don't come back again.
Okay. Okay, you see, that is why it's good to ask question, because some people give you wrong information. So that is why they try to sample from different places, because the report get to us say this road they don't abandon am, say water dey full am, and the manhole for middle they not cover am. Yes. And true to me come.
Na true, they not cover the manhole. But one day to get one girl where enter that one where they put for middle road.
Or the road so.
The point side. Not the small, this the other side. Before for night.
For night?
Yes.
But they feel rescue am.
And they restore.
Thank God.
That place now.
Okay. That very place, yeah. Oga, now thank God say this signboard now you see am now. I be not see am. Like that the contractor signboard with that.
Yes.
Wetin we want tell governor, because governor they get this program directly. So wetin I want tell am about this road, so may he know, because possible say he give am heart, he no know say they not complete am.
The one where they want to governor go do for us is where they do the road, where they start the road, we don see our business.
Okay.
Business you know they move again, everything you know they move again. And the beg governor he will come do the road for us. I say everything go go up.
Okay.
Like me now, I be organizer for here now.
Okay.
See my house, I hold my landlord before I know the home.
Okay.
Because the road no good again. You know I say the road good, I go see where they go pass, business go up. No, road no good again. I hold my landlord because of waiting business no go up again.
Okay.
Because our governor will come do the road for now. Beg the background. I don't say you know easy. You go help us.
Thank you, sir. May I quickly go? Me know say the governor na listening governor, because some of those wey me don do in the heart put. So me know say if you see this one, in go heart too.
Okay.
Because so far so good, we know say in dey listen small to the people. Thank you, sir. Well, na this is not clear this way. Maybe I go round. May I see am for the other side. This one na some of the distance wey dey construct here. But before I do am, Yeah, na the company wey dey handle this job for 2 years. Atlan Nigeria Limited. Na dem do am, na dem dey do am, and na Edo State na I give dem this work wey dem dey sleep over so. Consultant wey dey here na Mascot Resources Limited, 108 First Federal Road, Uselu Quarters, Benin City. Na be consultant for this job. Supervisory Ministry, Edo State Ministry of Infrastructure, Sapele Road, Benin City. Contractor, Atlan Nigeria Limited. Project, construction of Tezame Road, Iyoba Street, part of Second West Circular Road, Omozoge Street, part of Oge Street, and surface underground drainage system. So na wetin I say they do be this. Although it's good to ask question, that man say about 2 years now, other tell me 4 years. So here now, you see this construction door open for under. May I drag am small. See, and I don't open for under. Different, see, and I don't pull from where the concrete reach. So now suspension, now it dey now. I dey call on this company, Atlan Construction Company, to quickly come, make they come do their work. As Edo State government don't give them work, and make them stop to dey put our people, the life of our people at risk. The same company, see wetin they do. The same company, una remember say for Ekewan Road, and they follow their job. Now so they still open manhole down, make people fall enter. And to me, it be like say all those things are deliberate. Ekewan Road, and they open up for middle here, now so they still open up for Ekewan Road too. And it's not good. We, as far by God's grace, we continue to monitor the activities of this company. This Atlan, if like say e not get Edo people for mind. Now people they live here, not be good they live here. So may I follow this channel, what they do. This channel, they just do I never see sign of concrete. See so may I follow her. See dirty everywhere. I'm very sure with the heart of our people, it's not difficult for them to even throw those dirty into those channels. So you can see, say this, you can, are they come, sir? Okay, bed dress come. Because this risk factor, it good make our government know, may know say the life of our children is not safe at all.
See, that place where you pass, so.
Where I pass now?
Where you pass, so.
Yes, sir.
The boy, na small boy about 6 years or 5 years.
Yes.
They go church, they want pass along, then the boy enter that quarter.
Inside.
Inside.
And water full on like this.
Water full on. Now you don't get one boy, now the job boy.
The job, yes.
He can't repair the motor.
Oh.
The boy can't
Dive enter.
Where carry the.
Thank God.
Small boy, now he go boy.
Just imagine.
Thank God say nothing do the boy, you see they are alive. Now him papa come, he come greet us, say thank you. So the best government come help us do am. See that place, eat water full now, eat water rain fall now. Yesterday where you rain fall, all this place.
I don't see him. I don't see him for a sign of this thing with there.
Water full everything. But that place no, because water no get.
You know the flow again.
Now that place, now they speak. No, like you get big. Now beg the best governor to come help us to do am. We go see the help am. I know say na good governor for us.
Yes.
Because the work where you do, I like am well. Because before you reach Yoruba,
yes,
they stay for there. That mojo, now water no dey stay for there. All the water na here they come. Or at the beg am go come help us.
True.
The water, everything they flow.
If like say na this one, now I go come out for TV road.
Yes,
side of NTA.
Yes.
Adopted cover down for that side. For for that side now e no dey flow as the thing just see block am here na make we wan pass here now may I look am sir.
Go like this. Go like this.
Okay.
Just follow this smooth like this.
Okay. 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 You see another pikin there. You see another pikin. You know those people wey dey here now, you go see fall inside. Go pass go mistake fall inside. Na be the wahala for children. That is why we dey call up those call on our governor. Yes.
And that place they draw.
They draw. I'll go there just now go show am well. You see and say that is the reason why we dey call like this pikin now. You know those people wey dey here now go see me manage there now go fall inside. That's why they call on our governor. Say children na one special wey God give us. They dey under our control. If you no monitor them, you go see say na another thing na dey happen. And anywhere children dey this kind thing not supposed to dey because here as me pass am from Tezza Mirror to where I pass am reach so the street wey dey both side of this area second west is over 30 and a highly populated area for children and we dey beg Edo State governor make he make sure say Atlan construction company if they no mean well for us make he collect contract from them because Ekewan road I cover their event na the same thing wey they do for Ekewan road na I see here now they go leave manhole open for middle of road they no go put caution sign they no go do anything and na children na full all those areas and they call on our able governor Godwin Nogayasa Obaseki may come to the aid of Edo people especially those wey dey live for around this second west area make dem make sure say they deceive this thing they construct am well they cover am so that make children dey fit dey pass well so that when rain fall people no go dey fear as some tell me just now say if rain fall off camera they no go stay for road so that make children no go fall for those hole and many don fall by grace of God they don rescue some by sunset they no fit rescue them before as e be so the primary responsibility of governor or governance na to protect lives and property of citizens. That's why we dey bring every corner to your doorstep as governor of Edo State as God don give you leadership of this state so that you go see wetin those people wey you give contract to wetin dem dey do. I remember during the time of Oshomole na dem open all those places that time dem open am na e no neutralize am and all till now this place pose many danger security danger na e dey there environmental danger e dey there and so many dangers associated to this matter e dey here. Oga God bless una me know say the governor go here we will continue to draw his at ten tion dey go I wan take am go that side now may you see am. I don check that side I don see the mouth but meanwhile may I see turn am more dey see am you see the mouth e no dey flow here na wey dey lose na second west na be that. I don see that one I don go that side wey dey use am block near the signboard there.
That side na water fit remove am and na place where dey pass now na only God.
So bros if like say you get more knowledge come tell me more about am.
Na area now.
Na your area.
Without dem no put that side where dem go put for that area now.
If like say we go waka go there.
Na danger.
Mo waka go there mo.
Because people just put am for that place now they just do wrong thing.
Na the but not the construction company put sand o. I say no be dem put am.
I no even know the particular place where they put sand.
Okay, na newspaper.
That sand where they put for ground that gutter.
Okay, they drop am.
And that every time na that water na dey drop sand for ground. Nobody.
I see second west I dey so they just draw my attention and I see am just now. They draw my attention to this place now. Say this very place where I show just now. Say na sand na they just do the gutter straight like this. They don't know who put sand take cover am like this. As e be so now the water from here no dey fit come this side, and the water dey supposed to wey dey that side supposed to come this side.
Don't worry, I'll call you back.
Meanwhile, somebody dey here go educate me on how e be. Na him draw my attention just now. When I come record the signboard just now, I no really know say there is block here like that. And if you see water don dey chop am dey go. I think second west now see dey so. So my brother, can you throw light on this place now? Where we stand so?
The area now get it dey because before now we dey still dey manage the streets.
Yes.
Water things now. But as it come be like this now, we suppose let the full streets dey normal.
Yes.
Now this one now where they come put for here now, water don already dey chop am for under.
Yes.
We still try for wetin they do for this area, just that the ground now only God know whether he will save us or he no save us. We can't do one so that this sand will come up for the middle of this gutter, this
Yes.
bridge, so that they will know where the water dey flow dey go and where for dey come.
Come.
Because as e dey like this now only God dey save us for this movement, for this gutter here now, this bridge here. So
Especially children.
especially children. So the youth now nothing to prove to ourselves now. We can't save ourselves life
Yes.
like this now. So may they try their best so that they will come do wetin they want do like this.
Thank you,
That
brother.
is wetin I need for them
Yes.
to come and do for our children here.
So that they'll get safety go dey.
Yeah.
Because children no wetin dey buy for market. Na God dey bring am. Life don dey replace am. Once e go, e don go. So Oga Governor, your people dey happy to you. Say may you come to their aid. May you draw outline here because e be like say the use of play for this state.
Yeah. We don reach zone for down.
Which one?
This zone for down this side. You don reach that side?
No, I never read that side.
You try make you reach that side, make you see how the dam there be.
Okay.
If you reach down that side, you come pass am through as I take tell you make you take pass am come this side.
Okay. E far for that side too.
That side you go bust am for your yakpe abi what do you call am ogida.
Okay. Here now go bust out for Ogida.
Yeah,
Okay.
bust am for ogida.
Wetin me go do, I will take here now go TV road. Now I will find time, I come cover this place. But me I just take am because if I dey this side on another journey, I come take here. I promise Edo people, I come from this very second west now face this side. May I trace this where this place go wey dey block for here so that may be guide, may not be like say I dey mislead people. My brother, God bless you for your time. So may I take the side of this mode? I've taken am just now. They draw my attention to that place. You know, say a vehicle dey manage dey pass here. So na the same second west nowadays. So you see from here just go down like this. There's no life at all. No life. Meanwhile, may I carry my train dey go. I wan trace this side of the road. I wan trace this side of the road where they put this gutter so. Now second west now dey na thing around Ogbebo Estate area now dey here so. Work dey o, honestly. Even the channel wey dey construct by Atlant Construction Company, na here that pikin be wan pass just now. I think somewhere here, yes. You can see the water they tell me just now dey split over. E go split over because why? You know the see now you can see say e go full. E go na here that pikin be wan pass just now. This place. Na this pikin be wan pass. You see am say this thing go full na because e no get life again. E no dey flow again. E go come split over go the other side. The smell here no be small. So as e be, I dey follow am dey go. I know say na our able governor at that time na open up this place. I remember when they open up this place. See, that's not life. All those places now where people they stay, 21st century. Me and all they had my own poverty, they create them for the people. All those people, they created it. See, this moat now, they take them from Second West down to TV Road. See, look at refuse over. Refuse over. I imagine people wey dey this area now, how they take dey survive. I know say mosquito no be small thing for here. I also know say malaria na one common thing. How those are environmental hazard now? What is the Ministry of Environment also doing? Now human being dey all those places, not be goat dey here. Human being. I dey talk am, they'll say I too dey talk. The war for this country is between the rich and the poor. Because in a big men quarter be this, you know, see this kind of nonsense. You imagine small pikin fall for this place, and this part na small children dey pass, and there are so many things associated to this place. My guy, you dey now? Well done. I hope mosquito dey disturb na well here. Very very. I don't know. I no fit cross there because this river now no be this one I see now. I will come ask you question, but meanwhile, other time where I feel waka come this area, I feel come your side. But now wow, how many years this place will be like this? Oh, but when they take call this place, it don't, how many years when they take do allow this place open out like this? Okay, never tell they come open here. I say now show more open here that time. Where they come do come scatter them again. Okay, and they scatter them now, they not come do anything. You now see, this is the pain of the people who are doing diaspora. More now see waiting our people. They go through. Now human being dey here, not be ghosts dey here. This is out of the city, like I talked just now. As I talked just now, if you take this road straight from Tezami Road, you go land you for Sloko Road. And other journey areas dey here. See, even when they pass now, if you not put left for ground here, now ground you want see. So the people wey dey here, now potential danger they dey, so they suffer so many things. I no know so say here to tell me say people wey dey here they suffer security challenges. I no need anybody to tell me that one. Say people wey dey here no dey suffer security challenges. Say they no dey get suffer health challenges. Even environmental issue kpakpa, nobody can take that away from me. So at this point now, may I come down small. Na inside this way they create, na dem dey. Me know say even red ties go full here like say tomorrow not there. You can see now the middle of the construction now the channel, proposed channel for water now there. Here now see Second West side now face so, but on this side now go TV Road. So you can see from here now is blocked. They just dig down here now, do one year job on the other side as if say they do something. Good morning, sir. Okay, you dey for this area? I fit ask you a question. Na your church, na your okay. Now Oro Street be this. I pass here on that side just now. Oh, see here they pass. So, hey, blood of God. Hey. Okay, do you have anything? Waiting some of the challenges one of the suffer for here.
I'm not living here because I'm just at the church.
Okay. You know what I mean? During the church program, rain fall, other issues happen. What will the challenges one they get as people?
Well, for
my guys, when I come now.
Okay, now there's only one day this area because I know they come over there or something.
Okay.
Now those one that stay around here because or something.
Okay.
Or something. Like
Okay.
all these relations, those one that stay around here.
Okay.
But the day when you time when they before.
Yes.
I never was ever.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir.
God bless you.
Please, I be want to ask you a question. Na eh? Dress come. Yeah, you see as we dey talk just now, you see say children dey this area very well. You see now the way they come so pikin still dey.
My pikin fall for inside last 3 weeks ago.
Your pikin fall for inside?
If not be a good Samaritan from wetin they call that place for Ewa Road, the man call service in motor.
Okay.
Now God send wey help that pikin come out. They come back for school. For that small slap where they put.
Where they in between?
Yes, for junction there. Now there fall put. Even the man, both the big phone, the palm all enter inside the water. They no fit bring and come out. Because the water he covered the man. Now other people where they pass by can't still raise the man come out with my pikin for inside.
The man will be one even rescue your pikin. Oh, that pikin he dey here so.
He dey inside.
Okay. They tell me the matter for front that side just now. I don't know say I go meet you. Madam, how long they don abandon this place like this?
You don't tell us since this last year now they start.
Now they start this like this.
Now they scatter like this.
Okay. But if they do last year open now, you don't take the open year before.
This one. No. Next side this month.
Okay, so this one now they come open all those places widen now like this. Okay. And people be there before they're not there yet now.
Now there we do.
Now they're not there now.
We did the dam.
The dam of this place now.
The person say one repeat that.
Okay. Una they get security challenges here, madam. Security problem.
No, we get vigilante.
Okay, now get vigilante. Yes. Where they take off the area.
Yes.
Well, before vigilante come, now they get gbege before.
Before a day, but since we vigilante day, nothing like that.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much, ma. Why we do this thing? We say we want to draw attention of governor because we believe say people they cry to us from this side. Now say before we just come, we come ask question. Now I come, I really say what did they tell me? Now truth, now it be. So now being the ask me, I they look for those who did the area. Now we want bring am before the able governor of this state. May he see wetin people they go through, and moreover the company wey him give work to, may him see with the work the progress they don give Edo State, whether na the joy of governance with this or na the pain so that him go express am to us by action, because we know say as a Nigerian we deserve the best. Yes. For ourselves. Yes. For example, now this one at Edo State government if me I get environment like this on my compound, una will bring paper come, una say abatement notice, una carry me go court and say my environment not clean. Now the question we say, how they want to government Edo State government accountable for this environmental nuisance wey they create for the people through the construction company wey they give the work to, may do an Atlan construction company. Now this question, now big question, where those state authority go get to answer us. Madam, thank you very much. Me I waka go front. You see as I talk, the area na children na full am. See where people dey. See where people dey. Now human being na dey here not be good.
If you wait for the food come outside.
This place? Me you tell me. They don't give fear to the people too much. The fear of the unknown don't drive enter our people. You know why? Now state capital now Edo State of Nigeria, the cradle of black civilization. Now we dey out of the city, not a village. As I goes down na TV road. Now I dey face so. You can see the pains of our people. See the pains of our people. You can see the pains of our people. Just see 21st century. This not be village. Imagine town be like this, our village won't be. State capital. It be like this, our town won't be. Now state capital at the pass, so we be like saying a farm road that day. See, they abandoned this project for that place where me climb just now. And they use something blocker. Now I make you see say water not the flow. from the other side of Second West. Meanwhile, the rain dey gbege me small. Me I carry and go see dirty. Trust our people. If e spoil small, they will spoil and finish. I say told them how they talk. Now government I create these things for us. Because they take many things away from the people. Education of the mind have been taken away. The only people what they know now to survive instincts. Anywhere if you survive. Now inside of the channel, proposed channel, they abandon one with they not throw am from that side, just use some blocker. See, people are living this place so. See, now see, and matter see there. Now state capital, now they pass now, like say na farm road. Now they pass. Just imagine what people are going through. It's not surprised me Ring Road dirty way by here. See. 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 State capital. Edo. See bridge here where they pass. Yeah, another adjoining street. See Zuma with the children. See this bridge where they construct where they pass. May I see follow them pass and may I not go and see children. See what I'm saying? Oh, but now you're not there. Yeah, Mona pass. Mona not go for gutter. Yeah, Mona sorry pass. You see children? Those children are prone to danger. How can they do this? Leave this kind thing for ground. For where children dey. For where children dey. How can the government explain this to us? Say you give contract to people, you not supervise am. It's so painful. So painful. Churches dey no dey enlightening government. Nobody go even say okay draw their attention to this place. You see children, see wetin they talk. See children playing. See them. See. People are struggling to survive. See children. At the head towards TV Road, 5 Junction, now the head towards, now beside NTA. Now remember I say I adopted cover one event for the beginning beside NTA there. That day I don't feel passing, but today I don't pass Second West. Enter. See where they pass now. See, I hear the waka pass. What is the duty of Ministry of Environment? See what they have done here. It's the duty of government to see this place, to clear those channels so that water go dey flow. But funny enough, the year not get live because they block am for down that side. At another point there, water still gather towards NTA there. The duty of government now to make good environment for their people. That's why we get government agencies like Ministry of Environment. But for now they'll just sleep, they receive salary. Look at this gutter. If I say ask this question, in an individual compound be like this, as government do this one now, what is the take of government on this? What is the take of government on this? See children all over the place. We're going to lend our voice so that they will know say people they watch them. I'm very close to TV road. Bye bye, oh, Nado. So now so it be, oh, my people. Oh no, I don't see now see say not be good today here. Now human being I day all this place. Now human being I day here not be good. See what they have done. See environment for Edo State. Not even village. Now out of the town be this. As I tell you just now, that side from Second West, I think by Ogbebo Sawmill or so, where they create this channel, just they come from Second West, so they come out, they come see those people here. Now see the nature of the road. Now my back on the see so. See children behind me just now. Was create where they create pass there, where they pass on Second West. Now I see this so now I can come out now for NTA beside NTA. This fence where they look at now NTA fence now I be this one. So you can see what they are making us to pass through. Oh yeah, now so may I do because the rain they threaten me small so that me I end up by TV road. Me they say not be village a day na Benin City, the state capital of Edo. Now would day Benin metropolis. Now be this one. And a 5 junction. Now they approach so. Is 98 fence on my left hand, on my right hand side. The road they look there so na TV road. So now the extent of suffering of our people. Now they tell you now so. At this point, I still beg. I still appeal to our state executive to ensure that Outland Construction Company or other constructing firm when you give road for Edo State, may they mobilize to site. If they don't want to do, may they not do than to they put our people life at risk. So I did by 5 junction by TV road now there me I hand this report. My name remain left is Amo outside be no one here.
Watching with us, and please do not forget to subscribe and also turn on your notification button so you will always be notified whenever we're going live. Thank you.